What's up, guys? Today, I have some new slime to try out. My best friend gave it to me. I think you guys saw Emma in some of the other videos. That's the girl who gave it to me. It's purple glitter, my favorite color. And let's try it out. See if it makes a bubble. No bubble, guys. That test failed. Let's see if it can do the swirl. Yep, I can do the swirl. Let's see the bounce test. No, not really. See? Okay, let's see if you guys can hear it. Poke. The poke test. If you guys heard it, comment down below. I heard it. If you guys didn't hear it, comment down below. I couldn't hear it. Let's set you guys down there. And now let's see if we can do something else. See if we can do this. Okay, guys. I just made this. Okay, guys. That is all for today, but I am going to be posting this on my channel, and then there's going to be episode part 2 where I prank my friend that I lost it. I lost the slime, and we're going to see if she gets mad. She's not here, so I'm going to have to call her, prank call her. I don't have a camera either, so I'm going to have to end the channel here. And part 2 will be me telling you if it worked or not, okay? Bye! See you in episode 2.